Hello everyone, this is Santhej Kallada, and today in this video I wanted to show you how you can format the documents in Google Documents using N8N. Because see, what happens is that most of the time when we are using OpenAI or DeepSeek, like the output we get, it would be either as a HTML file or as a Markdown file. Okay. See, if it is Markdown, you can convert it into HTML using using the default node available in N8N. And again, if it is HTML, you can convert it into Markdown as well. But the issue is that both Markdown and HTML, it is not supported in Google document. So if you just see, this is an output from one of my nodes. And if I put it in a Google sheet, it comes like this. That is, see here, I have a heading here, but it is not made as a heading. It is just put under heading tag. So I'll show you how you can solve this issue. So for this, I have created an agent. So I have created an agent. So for now, I have set it up in such a way that it triggers through a chat message. Of course, you can always modify this later. After that, I have created a set field. So in the set field, this document name, it should be the file name. Okay? The document file name that you want to create. You can give any name here. Next is the HTML content. HTML content, basically, as the name suggests, it is the HTML content that you want to put in a Google Sheet. Drive folder ID. So see, I have created a test folder like this here, okay, for this tutorial. And in this tutorial, see here, this is my URL, and whatever comes as after folder, that is my folder ID. So just copy this, and I'll just go and put it here. So that would be the drive ID. Then we have a JavaScript. Okay. So this JavaScript would actually handle most of the stuff for us. And after that, we'll send request to Google document. Again, an HTTP request. But for sending HTTP request, make sure that you have connected Google Documents to your N8N account. So if you haven't connected Google Documents to your N8N account, like it is very easy. All you have to do is just go to your credentials, and here click on create credentials and search for Google. You need to connect both Google Drive as well as Google Documents. So just click on Google Drive, click on continue. Then you will get the redirect URL, and see, if you have trouble understanding how to give this client ID and client secret, just click on this open document and follow the instructions here. In fact, if you check in YouTube also, there are tons of tutorials on how to handle this. So it's a very straightforward process. Just follow this process and you'll be able to get the client ID and clients. So make sure that you have Google Drive connected to your account. So now I'll just click on close and I'll come to the agent. So yes, that is basically how it works. Here you just have to see authentication. You have to select different credential type, and here credential type Google Drive, the same credentials which you have connected. If you have connected it, you will see it here. Okay, and just select Google Drive here, and from here just select the respective Google Drive account. If you have connected Google Drive to your N8N account, you will see the option. And here nothing, you don't have to change anything at all. Just the body part you have to change. This body part, it will be the output of this particular node. Okay. So in fact, I'll share this entire workflow with you. This entire workflow is available in my school community. So you can join the school community and you can get the entire workflow. And the school community is totally free for the first 100 members. So if you just go to the school community, you'll see under classrooms, you have YouTube and N8N workflows. Just search for this Google Documents, Google Docs, HTML Markdown formatting. Okay, just search for this, and under resources, you will get the exact file. Okay, so you don't have to pay anything. So it's absolutely free for the first 100 members. So that is basically how it works. Now let me quickly show you a quick practical. So coming to the practical side, this is the HTML code that we have. So first I'll just copy this and let me quickly show you. See, this is the Google Drive folder in which we'll put the output. So it's known as N8N tutorial, and you do not have any, you just have an untitled document. Other than that, you do not have any other files. Now let us go to this here and let's check this workflow and see. So I'll open the chat and I'll paste that entire. Okay, in fact, yeah, let me just verify once again if I've given the folder ID. Yes, I've given the folder ID and everything looks good. Now I'll just click on this send message. Now see here, it is creating the Google document. So yeah, it said that it has finished creating the Google document. Now let me just refresh my N8N tutorial folder. See here, we have a test file created. Now let's quickly open the test file. See here, in the test file, all the notes, every bullet points, headings, everything is formatted properly. In fact, you have this drop down here as well, where it is sorted based on the headings and subheadings. So this is basically how you format something, an output from an AI agent to something that is suitable for Google Documents. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.